So now I'm going to talk about step 2, the flossing. So you want to take your floss, wrap your fingers in it, and then use your thumbs as fulcrums. Because the flossing is very, very important because you want to actually remove that bacteria and then flush it all away. You have to stir the bacteria up first. So this is how you floss. You want to start by snapping it in between those teeth there. Then making a C shape and going up and down with each of those teeth around that contact area. And then you can snap it back through again. So, for those of you that don't like using floss or just don't have the dexterity to use it, you can also use interdental brushes. So sometimes they call them proxy brushes, but they do the same. What you end up and do is you take that brush and you go in between the teeth, in between the contacts, and it does a similar thing that the floss does. You want to go the outside and also the inside as well, because it gets the plaque out from in between the teeth. That's why it isn't quite as good as floss, but it's much, much better than doing nothing. So, this is just some tips for you to take home and floss with.